Hello everybody, and today we're going to be producing a Passionfruit Gin Fizz cocktail using Racethought Manor's Passionfruit Gin mixed with the Yorkshire Tonic Pink Grapefruit, along with a few other little things as well. So let's get started. Our Pink Grapefruit Yorkshire Tonic was one of the first of 6 that we started to produce. We've got that nice aroma of pink grapefruit. We're using Quassia in these tonics rather than quinine, so they're nowhere near as bitter as a usual tonic. Pink grapefruit can be quite bitter itself, so it's not too overpowering, and it's just a lovely combination of tonic that you can mix with a lot of dry gins as well as putting into cocktails like we are doing today. Okie dokie, so we're going to start with plenty of ice in the glass. I do like a lot of ice in these cocktails. Now we've got 2 shots of the Passionfruit Gin. 5 drops of aromatic bitters, and then to finish it off we're going to put our pink grapefruit Yorkshire tonic. Once the tonic's in, just give it a quick stir. Finish with a slight bit of garnish.